You asked, and I have to answer. I asked you to take the mushroom off, and you said, well, what if I don't take the mushroom off? What's going to happen? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what exactly happens. Here we are. We're lighting it. Okay? We're lighting the candle, and we're going to see what actually happens if you leave the mushroom on. Okay? Here we are. Let's watch this. Here we go. Look at this. Look at the black smoke that comes up. You see the black smoke? That's not good at all. The flame is too high. Look at the black smoke. It's too high. And then you ask the question, what if I take the mushroom off and I don't cut it? Here is another one. It's too long in there. So let's light that one and see what that does too. You're going to see it's going to be black smoke. You see the black smoke? That's what happened. I've been telling you guys, cut the wick. Look at the black smoke. Look, it's terrible. On the flip side, if I light this candle with the short wick, it's gone. Now I'm going to show you how beautiful it's going to burn. Look at that. Why is this so beautiful and the other ones are not? Why does this? Because you have to get rid of the mushroom. You have to get rid of the height. You have to do these things. It's impossible. It's too aggressive. Look at the black soot. That thing is about 1.5 inches of a wick. I kept it for you so you see. So when somebody says, I turned these off. Hold on a second. When somebody says that my breath actually is turning this thing off, why should we cut it? You cut the wick so you can get this kind of beautiful flame. Not that, this. 1/4 inch, people. Get rid of the mushroom, cut everything, clean everything, and this is what happens. It's just the way the thing burns. And when somebody calls me up and says, I have black soot, it's because your wick is about 1.5 inches. You're not cutting it. Hello? That's what you got to do. Mwah. With love, always. Adios, people.